Happy Wednesday. Wednesday, it's the middle of the week. It's one of the most active days on financial markets. It's a great time to talk about money. Vegan bankery is on the wire. Why bankery? I'm a trained banker. The whole of my professional life I've been dealing with financial instruments, with the financial floor, funding, capital markets, some money and numbers. Why vegan? I have been vegan for more than 9 years, and I think this is the best which can happen in my life. Because it's all about life and love. It's love to animals, it's love to our planet, and it's love to ourselves. Because it's good for the health. And it's proved by scientists that the vegan plant-based diet is the best food for our brain to function long and healthy. So, it's great to deal with numbers. So let's be serious, let's talk about money. Money, or another name, is currency. It's coming from the Middle Age. Current, that means to be in current, to be in the flow. Because currencies and money was created to facilitate the flow, to facilitate trading flow, exchange between the people. Revolution came, and coins appeared, because what do you need for this exchange? You need to have something valuable, you have something to compare. An easy thing is to do it from the metal, which was rare or precious metal, and to do it by weight. So you don't need to carry some heavy things. You can compare, and you can use the Archimedes law to check if it's right metal or not. Now we see a lot of different currencies in the world, but a lot of currencies still carry this original function or original idea of this creation. Weight, British pound, Spanish peso. There is no Spanish peso anymore, but there are a lot of countries which are using the peso as a currency, for example, the Mexico, Uruguay, Chile, or German mark, which was replaced by euro, or Finnish mark. They all coming from the names of weight. A lot of countries using dinar, the Kuwait dinar, Serbian dinar. They all coming from originally from the ancient Rome coin denarius, which was silver and meant silver, or Indian rupee. It's derived from the Sanskrit root rupee, which means wrought silver. Or Polish zloty is coming from the gold, or Hungarian forint is coming from the name of the Italian coin Florentine, which was gold. And if we look in the Asian currencies, Japanese yen, Chinese yuan, and Korean won, they're all coming from the same character, which means round. It's interesting, right? How about dollar? Dollar also has some link to the original function, because it's coming from the Dutch or German thaler, which originally was Joachim Thaler, which is coming from the name of the valley, which is called Thal, where the silver was produced for the coins. Now, every current country has its own currency. So the currency is monopolized, centralized by the central bank, so they have the right to issue the currency. But wait, how about euro? Euro is one of the largest currencies which are traded in the world. The first one is American dollar, then European euro, then yen, and then the British pound. But there is no country as Europe. There is European Union. Does it mean that the euro is the legal tender, which means the payment instrument, which legally has to be accepted for the payment in the country? Does it mean that the European Union has euro? No, because some countries in the European Union still use their own currency, like the Danish krone or Czech krone. This country negotiated and agreed they're going to give their own currency. But also there are other countries which are members of the European Union, new members, but they're still using their own currency, like Bulgarian lev, Romanian leu, Croatian kuna. They maybe like to join the European Union, to the euro, to pay by euro, but they still have to fulfill criteria. So next time you're in Europe, make sure, check which currency is the country you're traveling. Next time, we're going to talk about convertibility of the currency and exchange rate. Join us every Wednesday. Happy Wednesday.